When it comes to shedding fat and boosting metabolism, fat burner supplements can be a powerful tool, especially when paired with proper diet and exercise. They're not magic pills, but they can help you accelerate results, improve energy, and stay consistent, especially when cravings hit or motivation dips. Today, I'm breaking down 9 of the best fat burners you can get right now. Each one offers something different, so whether you're looking for clean energy, appetite control, or overnight support, you'll find something here that fits. All the links are in the description, so let's dive in. First up is Jacked Factory Burn XT. This is one of the few fat burners out there that actually has clinical research backing its formula. In a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, participants who took 2 capsules a day burned about 150 extra calories at rest, thanks to the combo of green tea extract and caffeine. That's impressive. It also includes 700 milligrams of acetyl L-carnitine for fat transport and mental focus, 270 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous for energy, 50 milligrams of Capsamax cayenne extract for thermogenesis, and bioperine to help your body absorb it all efficiently. It's a clean formula with no proprietary blends and manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility. That said, 270 milligrams of caffeine is no joke. It delivers a serious energy kick, so if you're sensitive to stimulants, this one might hit a little hard. Some users report increased heart rate or mild nausea, but many others have seen real results with it. Burn XT is perfect for someone who's already active and wants to boost fat burning potential without compromising focus or performance. Next, we've got DRVITAMIN Thermogenic Fat Burner, also known as Brazilian Lean. This one's geared more toward clean, gentle support, great for anyone who wants to manage bloating and metabolism without feeling overstimulated. The formula includes green tea, Garcinia cambogia, and apple cider vinegar, though the exact dosages aren't publicly listed. What makes it stand out is how many people say it gives them energy without jitters or interfering with sleep. If you're someone who tends to be caffeine sensitive or wants a supplement you can take without worrying about your heart racing, this is a strong pick. It's made in the US, includes a 365-day money-back guarantee, and is well reviewed by those using it alongside consistent diet and workouts. Just keep in mind that, like any supplement, it works best when paired with effort. It won't do the work for you, but it definitely helps support your momentum. Moving to Lemmy Burn Belly Fat Burner. This one takes a more wellness-based, non-stimulant approach. The star ingredient is actoponin, a patented extract of gynostemma that's been clinically studied over 12 weeks to support abdominal fat reduction. The formula also includes green tea extract, plus B6 and B12 vitamins, and it's vegan and gluten-free. What I really like is that it avoids artificial fillers and keeps the ingredient list clean. This is ideal for someone who wants to support metabolism without relying on caffeine or heavy stimulants. It doesn't provide that jolt of energy like Burn XT, but it works well for daily consistency, especially if you're already dialed in with nutrition and exercise. This one is especially good for people avoiding stimulants or looking to stack with other non-thermogenic wellness supplements. Now, if you're someone who's more interested in biohacking and advanced thermogenic formulas, Sculpt Nation Burn Evolve 2.0 might catch your attention. It includes Capsamax, Certmax, turmeric, and bioperine, aiming to activate brown adipose tissue and boost adiponectin, both associated with fat metabolism. It's a smart, forward-thinking formula with some unique ingredients you don't often see in mainstream burners. Most people describe the energy as clean, or even without the spike and crash effect of traditional stimulants. But keep in mind, the cayenne content from Capsamax can be a bit rough on sensitive stomachs, and not everyone responds the same. This one is best suited for someone who wants to experiment with newer mechanisms in fat loss and doesn't mind a more premium price tag for innovation. Speaking of specialty formulas, Night Shred by InnoSups is designed to work while you sleep. It combines ingredients like ashwagandha, CLA, 5-HTP, and melatonin to promote deep rest, reduce cravings, and support overnight fat burning. Imagine finishing dinner, popping one of these, and relaxing into a full night's sleep without those late-night snack attacks. This product is ideal for people who struggle with cravings after dark or want to maximize recovery. It doesn't rely on stimulants, so it won't interfere with sleep, but the trade-off is that the effects are more subtle. You're not going to feel a thermogenic rush. Some users love the calming effect, while others say the fat-burning side feels mild. Still, if improving sleep is part of your fat loss puzzle, Night Shred fits right in. Animal Cuts. Fat burner is where we go full throttle. This is a heavy-duty system with a blend of metabolism boosters, nootropics, diuretics, and appetite suppressants, all split into daily packs. It's like taking a mini supplement stack every morning. Users who commit to it report significant changes, with some claiming 20 to 25 pounds lost over a few months, especially when combined with cardio. However, it does involve taking up to 18 pills a day, so it's not for the faint of heart. For serious athletes or bodybuilders who want an aggressive, multi-pathway approach, Animal Cuts delivers. Just be aware that it can be tough on digestion for some, and you'll want to stay hydrated and monitor how your body reacts. For those looking for something more streamlined, Cellucor Super HD Fat Burner is a classic that still holds its ground. It features Capsamax again, paired with green tea extract and 160 milligrams of caffeine for smooth thermogenesis and appetite control. The brand suggests taking 1 capsule in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, with a max of 3 per day. It's convenient, effective, and backed by Cellucor's reputation in the fitness space. Users describe it as a good middle-of-the-road burner, strong enough to feel it working, but not so overwhelming that it causes side effects. Some people have mentioned nausea or shakiness, but it really depends on your stimulant tolerance. If you want something practical that fits into a busy daily routine, Super HD is a dependable pick. Now, let's talk about Alpha Lion Superhuman Burn. This one's more of a pre-workout hybrid. It combines 3 types of caffeine for a sustained-release energy curve and delivers a serious thermogenic effect. You can actually feel your body temperature rise, and many users say they sweat a lot more during workouts. It's flavored like a traditional pre, and the taste is actually pretty good, though some find it a bit too sweet. This isn't a casual burner. It's made for people who already use pre-workouts and want to double up with fat-burning ingredients. If you train in the mornings and want to cut without adding an extra supplement, this one simplifies things. Definitely one of the more energizing formulas on the list. And finally, we've got the Nighttime Fat Burner Gummies. These are ideal for people who want something easy, tasty, and non-intimidating. They include ingredients like ACV, L-theanine, and melatonin to support sleep, appetite, and mild metabolic activity. Imagine finishing your night routine, popping a couple gummies, and getting better rest without reaching for a snack. They're a nice option if you're looking for gentle support without stimulants, though the fat-burning effect is more secondary to their sleep and digestion benefits. Some users report minor digestive discomfort, so if you have a sensitive stomach, it might take a bit of trial and error. So here's the quick breakdown. If you're chasing performance and want a burner that's been clinically tested, go with Burn XT. For a non-stimulant option with a strong focus on belly fat, Lemmy Burn delivers clean and consistent results. If you're caffeine sensitive but still want support, DRVITAMIN is a gentle daily companion. Sculpt Nation is your ticket to innovative thermogenic tech, while Night Shred and the gummies handle your nighttime routine. Animal Cuts is your heavy-duty all-in-one solution, Super HD offers a solid middle ground, and Alpha Lion gives you that hybrid edge if you live for the gym. Every product here serves a different purpose, and your ideal choice really depends on what your goals and preferences are. Check the links in the description to learn more or grab the one that fits your routine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more reviews coming your way.